Hi, I'm Arash, and this is our ninth tutorial, and we're going to talk about these three features here. These four features. Let's make it four. These two and these two. And if you haven't liked our channel yet, our video yet, or didn't leave any comments for us, please do and subscribe our channel and hit that red bell so you can inform about our new videos. So we talk about many other features here. If you haven't heard about them and didn't know about every one of them, please go and watch our previous video so you can learn everything about CATIA step by step. So there is a wonderful feature here called auto constraint. We can choose that and choose all of them. Remember to choose the axis too. And we can choose that our reference element would be this point, and we can choose it to be chained or stacked. Chain I think is better. If we say OK, it will be fully constrained and it will give all the dimension it needs by itself. That is really useful feature and help us to cut some time and be a faster designer. Yeah. Another thing is the fixed together. We can choose these two features to be fixed together, and if we click OK, we have this clip here, which means that these two are fixed together. Whenever they go, what they do, these two are fixed together. Not fixed with each other, fixed together even. You know that if I fix this, it will only be in its place. It cannot move. But fixed together, meaning that this distance between these two are fixed together and is not going to change. For example, if I fix together this and this line, if I change that, the other lines may differ, but the distance between these two is not going to change anymore. So if I delete it, I will eliminate the effect of that. Another thing here is animate constraints. If I say that, let me fully constrain them. For example, if I say that I want to animate some constraint like this, I want to animate this from 40 to 80. If I make it loop or make it the steps by 100 and say animate, it will change from 40 to 80 to show me what is the difference between having a 40 dimension or 80 lengths. That is quite interesting, and this is really good to show a preview to our customers or clients. That is really amusing feature. If I cancel that, it go back to its original form. And if I want to have tolerances, I can apply this and choose them to be tolerance, like this 40. I want it to be plus 1%, 1 0.1 millimeter, and minus 0.1 millimeter. It will affect that like this: tolerances of 0.1. And that's it. And that is conclude to our tutorial.